Naniniwala si Coach Timko na hindi magiging madali ang kanilang pangarap sa San Miguel Beermen, lalo't inituturing na powerhouse ang koponan. Aminado din ito sa isang bagay na meron ng San Miguel na hindi pa nila alam kung paano paghandaan. Si Angel Atienzas para sa buong detalye.
Naniniwala si Barangay Ginebra San Miguel Head Coach Tim Cone na sila ang underdog sa PBA Final Series nila kontra defending champion San Miguel Beermen. Sa pagharap niya sa press kahapon, aminado ang winningness PBA coach na kinakabahan siya sa banggaan nila ng SMB. Ito ay bagamat sa kanyang PBA coaching career ay 5-1 ang win-loss record niya kontra SMB pagdating sa finals match-up.
To be honest with you, I'm shaking in my boots with the idea of playing San Miguel. I'm scared, and just like all the other coaches, and there's good reason to be. But I believe in our guys, and I believe they find ways, and we'll try to find ways to compete with this team again.
Samantala, ngayong out pa rin dahil sa injury ang kanilang big man na si Greg Slaughter, inamin din ni Coach Tim na hindi nila alam kung papaano ang gagawing depensa kontra kay 3-time PBA MVP Junmar Fajardo. Ito ay dahil naging focused siya sa kanyang semi-series kontra Star Hotshots, kung kaya hindi siya nagkaroon ng pagkakataong pag-aralan ang laro ng Cebuano Center.
Yeah, it's still a secret. We don't know. Actually, we don't know. It's funny because I have not watched San Miguel play in about 3 weeks. I don't really even have a plan yet to stop Junmar. I'm not even sure there is a plan to stop Junmar. I don't even think Phil Jackson can figure out a way to stop Junmar. You just gotta kind of try to limit him as much as you can.
Ibinahagi rin ni Cone na posibleng hindi muna paglaruin si Joe Devance ng ilang games ngayong finals dahil patuloy na iniinda nito ang kanyang foot injury. Bukas, alas 7 ng gabi, nakatakda ang Game 1 ng All-Filipino Cup Finals. Angel Atienza, PTV Sports.